It is better to keep your mouth closed and let people think you are a fool than to open it and remove all doubt. It's not the size of the dog in the fight, it's the size of the fight in the dog. If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. Age is an issue of mind over matter. Whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it is time to pause and reflect. Making money is art, and working is good art, and business is the best art. There are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. They always say time changes things, but you actually have to change them yourself. Only two things we'll regret on deathbed: that we are a little loved and little traveled. Mark Twain.